Jay Leno is a celebrated figure in American entertainment, widely recognized for his work as a comedian and longtime host of The Tonight Show. Beyond television, he has built a remarkable reputation as a passionate automotive enthusiast, owning an extraordinary collection of around 181 cars and 160 motorcycles. These prized vehicles are kept in his famous garage in Burbank, California, which also serves as the backdrop for his Emmy Award-winning series. His collection features a wide range of rare and highly sought-after vehicles, including icons like the 1963 Chrysler Turbine and the 1955 Mercedes-Benz 300 SL Gullwing coupe, the latter estimated to be worth around $1.8 million. Among his standout exotics is a 1967 Lamborghini Miura P400, valued at approximately $3.5 million. According to automotive historians, Jay Leno is believed to own around 181 classic cars along with 160 motorcycles in his private collection. While the collection isn't open for public tours, he has showcased it to countless automotive fans over the years. Today, his impressive lineup is housed in the famous Big Dog Garage in Burbank, a vast complex made up of multiple aircraft hangars near Hollywood Burbank Airport, formerly known as Bob Hope Airport. Among all the machines he owns, one of his personal favorites is the 1972 Mercedes-Benz 600 compressor, a true symbol of vintage luxury and engineering excellence. Industry experts estimate that Jay Leno's automotive collection carries a staggering value of around $450 million. This impressive figure reflects his careful and deliberate approach to collecting, as he only adds vehicles that meet his high standards and truly stand out in terms of history, rarity, or engineering. It's clear that Jay Leno has a deep and ever-growing passion for collecting and restoring classic vehicles. That enthusiasm is fully showcased in his Emmy-winning series Jay Leno's Garage, where he explores classic and muscle cars alongside motorcycles. The show also dives into automotive history while spotlighting detailed restoration projects. In the end, while the future is always uncertain, Jay Leno will almost certainly keep expanding his collection of classic vehicles. With his talent and genuine passion for automobiles, he has become an inspiring figure for collectors and enthusiasts around the world.